What's up, RC enthusiasts? Back here again today. I've got my C24 kit. More upgrades are going to this thing. Why? Because why not? Well, what happened here was my steering servo decided to go out randomly out of nowhere. You know, I wasn't running in water or anything. It just done, I guess, from all the abuse I've done to it. You know, it has been in water several times. You've seen a couple of my videos. And so yeah, that went. And I was about to do my four-wheel steering rig, put a 2-speed in that thing, see how that goes, because I'm gonna be testing this transmitter right here for its capabilities. I actually do have a range test on this. Yes, so go ahead, you guys go ahead and check it out real quick so you can see how far this thing can go. Alright guys, I got this transmitter binded to this truck right now. I'm gonna see how far down this road I can go before I lose signal. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, that's pretty far. I don't think you guys could even see it. I don't even wish to drive my truck that far from me, so that's good enough for me. Well, yeah, there you go. Not that bad, right? It's actually pretty far, and I didn't lose any signal, no resolution, nothing. It was still responsive all the way up to that point that you saw it go up to. So that was pretty far out there. It looked like this to me in the screen. So yeah, it's not bad. Definitely on par with the FlySky signal for sure. I got it just as far with my FlySky, no issue. So the one thing I do notice, I'm not sure, I have to do further testing to verify this, but this controller feels snappier. The resolution might be a little, you know, sharper on this controller, but we'll see. I'll do more testing on that and let you guys know if I find out. So yeah, I just want to put this video out here to show you guys. This is the C24, my blue one. You know, you guys know my blue C24. I love this rig. It's the one that got me into the whole WPL craze. And here it is now. I decided to go ahead and slap the four-wheel steering system in there, so now I've got, you know, my whole four-wheel steering going on here. Yes, if you do see in the video, the rear drive shaft is plastic right now, so I just use a plastic one for now. And I have attached what I used to have on my C14 on this one now. So you see, this has got the tray that sits in the front on the back, modified and trimmed a little bit so the 2-speed stuff can fit. And yeah, you know, I trimmed all the stuff on here so the body can go all the way down. And on the body itself, you just have to trim these little tabs. Let me see if these little tabs right here are all you have to trim. So that's not bad. You just trim those tabs or take them completely flush, and it'll sit flush on here perfectly. So I haven't done that yet, as you can tell. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this up close. I want to bring you guys closer so you guys can take a closer look at this. I want to show you guys what channels I use on this receiver and how I set this all up. So if you guys wanted to try something like this, if you got yourself a transmitter like this, it would be very, very easy to do this mod. So let's get to that. Alright, I'm going to plug a battery into this guy. Don't forget, turn your transmitter on. So I got my transmitter right here. Let's flip it on. Plug this guy in. There you go. And I haven't fine-tuned everything right here, but you can see all the stuff working. So right now, if you look at the transmitter, I have it set to front steer only. You can see right there. So it's just a front steer. And all I gotta do is hit this channel 3 button right here, and that will move that to the next setting, which is rear steer. And if I hit it again, it'll be crab steer. And if I hit it again, it'll be just regular 4-wheel steer. And back to front steer only. Okay, that's how that goes. Front steer, rear steer. And we got crab. It's all 4 the same way. And then we have regular 4-wheel steer. Right here, I'm not sure if you can see it right there, but you got your shift servo right here to shift from high to low. And all I'm using on this transmitter is this channel 4 up here. It's a 3 with position switch, so you got far left, middle, and far right on this one right here. See, it shifts as soon as I hit that. So there's no neutral really in this transmission. It's hard to find, so I just go and skip the middle part, period. I'll show you that in action right here. There you go. So that's going to be your high gear and your low gear. And that's pretty much it. That's all how it works on here. That's pretty simple to program all that. And you have to just adjust the end points and the trims to everything, and you'll be good. Now what I want to show you right here is all the channels I've used and what I plugged into them. So I'm pretty sure, let me get all the wires out of the way. So there you go, there's the channels to the receiver. Now channel 1, I've got my steering servo. Channel 2, I have my ESC plugged into. Channel 3, I've got my 4-wheel steering, which is the rear servo, is plugged into channel 3. And then channel 4, that's the shift servo. That's what that's plugged into. So yeah, pretty simple there. So you can tell right here, you can switch from analog to digital servos right here. Especially if you're using the gyro, you're going to have to configure that to the right one. Yeah, and it's also a waterproof receiver. So that's a plus. Don't have to worry about waterproofing that or anything. It's pretty cool. Here, I want to show you guys the gyro function real quick. So I've got it to front steer now. Then I'm going to go inside the controller here. Then I'm going to go down to SVC. So see how it's off? I'm going to turn it on. And then this is how you turn up the sensitivity. So I'll just put it all the way up so it reacts to everything. There you go. So the gyro works, and you can adjust the sensitivity right on the controller, and you can turn it off right on the controller, so that's pretty cool. So there you guys go, 4-wheel steering, 2-speed transmission, all controlled by the HobbyPorter HP007 transmitter. Very versatile transmitter with an LED light, and it's got a checker for 2 and 3 cell batteries right here, so you can check each individual voltage of them and the full voltage of the battery, and a temperature checker so you can check your motor and your ESC temps, and also I believe 15 model memory on this thing, and you can either use a LiPo or 4 AA batteries, so that's pretty convenient right there as well. Alright guys, I hope you guys like that. I hope this was cool for you guys. You know, nice little 4-wheel steering rig for you guys here now. And just another change to my WPL fun time. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content and you want to watch more. And don't forget, go out there, have some fun, and run that RC.